Well, our talk today is in celebration of all herbalists, including all individuals, all unique journeys. So, do you have a special herbal recipe that you'd like to share with herbalists of all levels, with our community, that might represent self love, like we've been talking about throughout this conversation, or maybe some type of fun herbal concoction that might serve as sort of a celebratory cheers, a cheers to being herbalist, a cheers to really getting to know the terrain around you?
Ah, so when you say cheers, I think about bubbly, about either your favorite sparkling wine or your favorite seltzer. And one recipe that I really love as the days warm up is Mimi's Mimosa Mimosa.
I knew you were going to talk about the Mimosa Mimosa. It's the MMM. It's perfect into this time of year too.
And mimosa blossom is what we're talking about here. And a mimosa blossom is comes from the mimosa tree, and they're these like puffs of pink, and they look like little fireworks of pink. And what I like to do is make a syrup with the mimosa blossoms, just a simple syrup that's infused with mimosa blossoms. And mimosa has such an uplifting activity. In fact, it's a Asian tree, and back in its homeland, it's treasured for releasing that stressful constriction over the heart or over the solar plexus, that kind of, when you have that heaviness and stress and grief. And the mimosa blossom and even the bark, when taken, it really helps alleviate that, and it brings a smile to your face. It like uplifts, and it's just so, makes you laugh.
Happiness tree.
It's happy. It's the tree of happiness. And I like to celebrate with that. And when the mimosa blossoms come in, I'll go and pluck a bunch of them. And we can pluck a bunch because it's not a native tree here. And so we need to use as much as we can. And then I'll come infuse those in the simple syrup. And I use that pink simple syrup to flavor my favorite sparkling wine, or if I'm more of a seltzer mood, to flavor that, and come up with a fun garnish, or even just put one of those puffs on top, and make it real pretty. And then toast it, or just drink it to on a nice day with yourself, or share with friends, and set some intentions, or have like a gratitude type of circle with the sparkling Mimi's Mimosa Mimosa.
Well, what a wonderful way to celebrate Herbalist Day. I love it.